respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today let's enrich ourselves with the nuances of mathematics. Mathematics is the queen of all science. Without mathematics, there's nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. The laws of nature are written by the hand of God in the language of mathematics.
Be it nature, be it music, be it engineering or any walk of life, we cannot avoid maths.
Under PM Shri activities, our school has benefited a lot to help us understand and make use of maths in our daily life.
We have undescribable pleasure to have a lot of learning teaching materials to help us sail through this beautiful journey called maths.
Here come some fraction discs which help us to think about the numbers which are not whole numbers.
I am half or 1 by 2. 2 halves make a whole.
One-fourth or quarter. 4 1/4 will make a whole.
Look straight, look straight. All of you should look straight.
Creative and critical thinking skill is an essential part of our day-to-day life to help us stay ahead. We have dominoes and tangrams for this.
Dominoes are mentally stimulated game and it increases math skills. Tangrams are good for spatial reasoning.
Time and tide wait for no man. In the same way, to help us know the value of time and to keep ourselves disciplined and up to date, we have the clock to guide.
If we follow the time in the dot, it will keep us ahead of the rest.
Mathematics and music have been closely connected throughout their interplay, visible in various aspects of rhythm, harmony and structure. In the context of Indian music, particularly in the system of the 7 notes, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, mathematics plays a key role in understanding the scales, rhythms and frequencies.
To read large numbers correctly, we have the place value.
$2,192. 72,192.
All mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, fractions and decimals are associated with money.
Money which makes our well-being needs mathematics as its fulcrum.
Maths gives hope that every problem has a solution. Mathematics reveals its secrets only to those whom approach it with pure love for its own beauty. Through this program of ours, we hope you are all able to unfold the secrets of mathematics and become great mathematicians.
Thank you.
Hope that every problem has